Hello all. Today we'll be seeing a very interesting or very important concept in SQL database. So you might be dealing with the database operation for your application development, and you might be writing some database queries to get some results from the database or to do some operations on the database. So while doing some operations, we might be using some temporary records or temporary tables you might be using. So if you are using a temporary table in your SQL query, so how to find that SQL where that particular temporary table is stored? So is in this particular example, we'll be using one table which is there in the main DB called data report DB, and that table name is train schedule. So here I'm using that particular table train schedule and doing a select query on that particular train schedule. So essentially, I'm trying to query from the main database, main table, and trying to push it into a temporary table. So how I define that temporary table as I just wrote a SQL query called create table. This hash represents that this particular table is a temporary table that I'm going to create, and these are the columns of the particular table: train number and a train name. And once this table is created, I am pushing the records into this temporary table using this insert statement. Insert into this temporary table, which is beginning with the symbol hash. And I am pushing all the records which is returned by this select query. That's how we do some operation or push data into the temporary table. So if you're trying to again reuse the SQL query, you have to make sure that this temporary table doesn't exist. Otherwise, this create query will fail. So for that, I am dropping this temporary table if the temporary table exists. So where to see this temporary table? That's the main thing that we are going to see. So we have to go to the system databases to see the temporary table, and you can see the temp DB. This is one of the system databases, and inside that table, if you expand, there are different columns, tables and temporary table. You expand the temporary table, and you can see your temporary table getting created here. So it will not be part of your main database. It will be part of your temp DB database under the system databases. That's what I wanted to cover today. Please do share this particular video if you found helpful, and um, try to post your doubts in the comment section, or whatever new topics that you want to make video on. Please do post in the comment section. Thank you.